Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a much requested video. A lot of people have asked me how do I trim my ends. I used to go to a stylist back when I was transitioning, but now that I'm natural, I realized that I can trim my own ends without straightening them. So I'm just going to show you really quick how I do it. If I do one side, then you can easily get to the other side. So let's just dig right into it. Okay, so first of all, I did shampoo my hair. I used Uncle Funky's Daughter Deep Cleansing Shampoo, and I did this with 2 cycles. So one just to get the gunk out, and then another cycle just to make sure all of the gunk was out. And then all I'm going to do is, this is my hair. Let's take this out. This is my hair, freshly washed, there's nothing in it. I'm simply going to, and I'm going to use my fingers. The only time that I use anything is a denim brush to detangle, but I'm just going to, so I've got my hair in 4 sections, and so you can make as many twists as you want depending on the length and the thickness of your hair. I do 16, so for each quadrant there's going to be 4 twists. So from that, I'm going to, using my hands, that's going to be half. And then from this down here, I'm going to half that. Alright, so this is going to be 1 single twist. So I'm going to first start out detangling my hair. I'm going to use the knot today. I'm not going to put a lot on because I don't want it to be oversaturated. I might need a little bit more for my ends. And then I'm going to take a detangling brush and then slowly detangle, work my way up. Okay, after that is good and detangled, I'm then going to take a little bit, not a lot, but I'm going to take a hair mask. I usually do a hair mask or a deep conditioner. This is the Uncle Funky's Daughter Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. And I'm not going to do a lot. Just a little. Just enough to coats my hair. Because you don't want it to weigh down your curls. Alright, and then so all I'm going to do is just cut that in half. And then I'm just going to start twisting. You don't want the twist to be too tight, and then you don't want them to be too loose, but you're going to twist all the way down. And I normally will do this to my hair every 3 to 4 months depending on what all I've done to it. So this would be the twist, and I would just normally cut off probably about that much. Basically when it starts to like get from like thick down to thin, so I'll probably cut off that much. And I'm just going to take some hair scissors. Make sure you get hair scissors from a beauty supply store, not just like scissors from your local Walmart or something. So I'm just going to take off about, and I'm just going to cut. And that's how much that I took off. Oh, can you see it? Gonna apply a little bit of the conditioner or the hair mask, and I'll leave these twists in for probably a couple of hours if I can help it. I will go to bed. And like I said, some people don't do this many depending on how long your hair is. I've seen some people only do like 4 or 5 twists. I have to do more because my hair was originally in layers, so I kind of like to keep that layered length, especially when I do my wash and goes. I like to have the layered so all the curls aren't just like sitting in one spot. So like from like here to here, I'm gonna cut all that off. So normally I will do alright, so this is just one side of my hair. It doesn't take that long, but you know, you do want to take your time because you are cutting your hair. You don't want to just like be distracted with the TV and snip where you should be snipping. So I'm just going to finish the rest of my hair and then I'll come back when I'm done. Alright, we are all done. 16 entire twists. Like I said before, I probably took about 1/4 of an inch, probably even less than that, off the front, and I probably took at an actual 1/4 of an inch off the back ones. Like I said, nobody's hair is perfect, neither is mine, so I'm working on properly dedicating time to detangle and do all that to the back of my hair as to the front of my hair. But anyway, c'est la vie. So I'm gonna leave this in. I said I was gonna do a couple of hours, but it's late. It's like 8 o'clock, so I'm probably just going to sleep in these, and then all I'm going to do is take them down in the morning, unravel them, rinse the hair mask out, and then just apply my wash and go product. So I will show you guys the final results when I'm done. Okay, so a little late. This isn't the next day, it's more like day 4, and I'm about to rinse it out, but I just wanted to give you guys an update. This is my hair. As you can tell, you can kind of see how it's layered, so that's why I did the 16 twists. For the wash and go, I did use Shea Moisture products. I used their leave-in conditioner from the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. I used, and also the gel from the same line. And then I used their Curl Enhancing Smoothie orange bottle. I don't remember the name of the line. So yeah, this is my hair. I'll do a 360 for you guys. Like I said, it is day 4. So this has gone through day 4 life, gym, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, pretty easy, pretty simple. If you're not comfortable, this is what I will say. If you are not comfortable with cutting your hair, go to a professional. I was relatively comfortable just because I grew up with, like I said, sisters, and so I'm used to doing our own hair. So after my stylist kind of told me how I could do it, I just basically went home and did it myself. So if you're comfortable with it, like I said, it's not like you're chopping off half of your hair, but it's a great way to keep your ends trimmed, to keep your ends healthy so that your hair can not only maintain but also grow in length. So that's my quote-unquote cosmetology spill. Don't forget to check out all of my other videos, subscribe while you're here, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.